The project you shall be implementing for this section will be text normalization. And to do that, we are going to use a dataset from this Kaggle competition. Kaggle is a platform where you could take on data science competitions and grow your data science skills. Here you have a list of competitions hosted on Kaggle. And one of them is this text normalization challenge, wherein you have to convert English text from written expressions into spoken forms. Here you have an overview of the challenge, its description, evaluation, prizes, timeline. Now this is 4 years ago, but you could still join this competition and then compare your performance with those in the leaderboard. There's also the discussions, which are very helpful as you get to interact with other competitors. You also have the data, and let's get back to the description. Now, as many of us can attest, learning another language is tough. Picking up on nuances like slang, dates, and times, and local expressions can often be a distinguishing factor between proficiency and fluency. This challenge is even more difficult for a machine. Many speech and language applications, including text-to-speech synthesis and automatic speech recognition, require text to be converted from written expressions into appropriate spoken forms. This is a process known as text normalization and helps convert, for example, 1247 to this written form 1247 and say $3.16 to $3.16. However, one of the biggest challenges when developing a text-to-speech synthesis or automatic speech recognition system for a new language is to develop and test the grammar for all those rules. A task that requires quite a bit of linguistic sophistication and native speaker intuition. In this competition, you are challenged to automate the process of developing text normalization grammars via machine learning. The task will focus on English, while a separate will focus on Russian. You also have the evaluation as usual, and then let's get back to the data, which is downloadable right here. So you have this data set, and you have different code examples provided by other competitors. From that, you'll design your own model, select appropriate loss, train, validate, and test, measure the model's performance, take some corrective measures to better the results, and finally publish on Medium or YouTube and share on your social network.